Hi Central Valley, I'm Lauren Wallace and today we're going on a very calm adventure. Our goal is to relax in nature, view some wildlife, and even learn a thing or two on the way. We don't have to go too far, so let's go ahead and take a walk on the Hidden Homes Nature Trail. We've driven to North Fresno, right off of Friant Road. Our trail today will be close to the River Center, and it is going to be an easy and short walk. The path today will be less than a half of a mile, and it will be flat on a gravel walkway. It's going to be perfect for all ages, but especially entertaining for young kids. We're going to walk in a clockwise direction today, but first I want to take a moment to learn about all the wildlife that we're likely to see today. They have this handy identification sign. After we take a look at that, we can actually walk over to a couple of viewfinders and take a closer look at the wildlife without disturbing them. Along the way, you can explore human-sized versions of animal homes along with other sculpted attractions. These were all created by local artists, and you really are encouraged to climb around and have a hands-on experience. Earlier I said that this trail will be especially entertaining for young kids, but I take that back. I've learned a lot, and as an adult, I've been very entertained and actually having a lot of fun. finished the loop and we spotted some nice picnic tables across the parking lot. Make sure you pack a snack or even a meal, and you can enjoy a feast while continuing to watch and listen to the sounds of nature. Thank you so much for coming along with me on today's adventure. It was nice and relaxing. Make sure that you head to yourcentralvalley.com for other hiking ideas. Until then, I'm Lauren Wallace, and I'll see you on the next trail.